Good day, I'm Raymond Hartung. I live in South Africa and I'm looking to go work in the USA in 2026. I'm busy with my diploma in animal production and plant production. I have some experiences with working with cattle. I branded some cattle, I dosed cattle, I gave them vaccines, I put ear tags in. So I have lots of experience with cattle, but my experience with cropping is not so much. I'm looking to go into cropping. I've done a course where I learned to drive John Deere tractors and also work with the GPS systems. I worked with a Gen 4 GPS system in the John Deere tractors. My goal is to provide people with food, because farming will always be needed in the world. I've worked on pivot points before and also on a citrus farm. I worked in a pack house as well. But cropping is my goal. I want to be in a crop farm one day.